To locate these points, first of all, we have to take a graph paper and we should divide into 4 quadrants by taking this x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is horizontal line and y-axis is this vertical line. Then mark these lines accordingly. And then, first of all, we have to identify the point. Means we have to locate the point 4, 5. So this is x-axis, this is 4, this is 5. This point is 4, 5. Mark it. Point A with coordinates 4, 5. Now point B, coordinates are 0, 5. X is 0, y, 5. It will lie on y-axis. This point. This point is point B with coordinates 0, 5. Then C, coordinates are minus 4, 5. X is negative minus 4, and this is 5. So mark here. This point is minus 4, 5, and mark it the point C with the coordinates minus 4, 5. Point D minus 4, 0. It will be here. X coordinate is minus 4, y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0 on x-axis, so this will be the point. Now point E, both are negatives. X coordinate is negative, the value of x coordinate is negative, and y coordinate is also negative. So this point will lie in the third quadrant. X is minus 4 and y is minus 5, means this point will be this. Then point F, x coordinate is 0, so this point will lie on x-axis and, y-axis, and the value of y coordinate is negative 5, so this point will be this. And then point G, x is 4, y's coordinate is minus 5, so, and we know that this is origin, this O point will be here. You should also write this is x-axis and this is that's all for the question number 1. Identify the position of the points on the Cartesian plane. ये Cartesian plane पे point कहाँ मिलेंगे? What is the location of these points? See, for this, ये हमने Cartesian plane बनाया. We know in the first quadrant, x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is also positive. In second quadrant, x is negative, y coordinate is positive. In third, both x coordinate and y coordinates are negative. And in fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive, y coordinate negative. Any point lying on the x-axis, the value of y coordinate is always 0. And any point lying on this y-axis, the x coordinate is 0. y x एक्सिस पे y का वैल्यू 0 होगा और y एक्सिस पे x का वैल्यू 0 होगा. सी, दिस इज -6 -5, so x is negative, y is positive. X is negative and y is positive. This will lie in second quadrant, so we can write second quadrant. -43, -5, both are negative. This is negative, this is negative, this is negative, this is negative. So this point will lie in third quadrant. Here, that is 0, 0, we know this is origin. X is negative, y is 0. When y is 0, this point always lies on x-axis. Both x is positive, y is positive, so this will lie in the first quadrant. And x coordinate is 0, y is 5, x is 0, always on y-axis. Find the distance between the point AB, or where the coordinates of A and coordinates of B are given. We know that by the distance formula is given by square x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root of x2, देखिए x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 is 0 minus 5 whole square, and that is 12 minus 0 whole square. 0 minus 5 is minus 5 whole square plus 12 whole square. Square of negative is positive, so square of minus 5 is 25, and square of 12 is 144. On adding 25 plus 144, that is 169, and square root of 169, that is 13 units, and this is answer. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment AB, where the coordinates of A are given 5, minus 8, and coordinates of B are given 7, 6. इसको विजुलाइज करते देखिए, हम लाइन सेगमेंट है, दिस इज ए पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट्स विथ 5, minus 8, and this point is B, coordinates 7, 6. Or let's suppose this point is the midpoint of AB, mark it M. You can consider, let the coordinates be X, Y. But we know that the midpoint formula is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, that will be the x coordinate of the midpoint, and for the y coordinates, y1 plus y2 by 2. Yes. देखिए x1 is 5, x2 is 7. So 5 plus 7 divided by 2. That will be the x coordinate. And for y1, y1 is minus 8 and y2 is 6. Divide by 2. Simplify. 7 plus 5, 12 by 2, that is, and minus 8 plus 6, that is minus 2 upon 2. On further simplification, that is 6, minus 1. So the coordinates of the midpoint M will be 6, minus 1, and this is answer.